Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Pumpkin season is here, so it's time to make pumpkin cake! So stay tuned! First, we start to puree the pumpkin. Grab your pumpkin. And cut. With a spoon or scoop, scrape out the seeds and pulp from the center. Place pumpkin pieces on a parchment paper and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until the color turns light golden brown. Peel off the skins from the pumpkin pieces. Using a blender or any tools in the kitchen, start puree the pumpkin. Time to make the cake. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spray the baking pan. Combine and mix all the dry ingredients in the bowl. In a bowl of a stand mixer, beat butter and sugar together until fluffy and light. Add the eggs one at a time. Add vanilla and pumpkin puree and beat until incorporated. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix until completely combined. Pour the batter into the baking pan. And bake for 30 to 40 minutes. The cake is done when the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Time to make the frosting. Using a mixer set on medium-high speed, beat cream cheese until fluffy. Add confectioner's sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. Beat on low speed until well combined. In a separate bowl, on medium-high, beat heavy cream, confectioner sugar, orange food coloring, and bring to soft peaks. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture until well combined. Cut the cake into 2 layers. Spread and cover each layer of the cake with the frosting. and the remaining frosting to ice the top and the sides of the cake. Time to decorate the cake. Ta-da! The pumpkin cake is ready! See you next time. Bye!